Hey y'all, it's Mary and welcome to Mask Monday. Y'all, I am going to do this mask. I show this package of masks in my Temu haul that aired on Saturday, if you'd like to go back and see that. These, I don't have any record of purchasing them. I got a bunch of free stuff. And even the free stuff that they send you, they put it on an invoice and I can't find these anywhere. So not sure how I got them. There's 5 in the box. It says soothing moisturizing mask, but it says for kids. So we're gonna see what it looks like. It is showing that it is a character mask. So let's put it on and then we'll see what else I might be able to decipher about, you know, what it is. Okay, so there's these tabs here that you can open. And let's see what she looks like. Yep, character mask. And I have seen some masks on Amazon that say that they're for children, you know, but they're big enough for an adult. So, and this looks like it might be. It's definitely a cat or a lion. Oh, it's so cute. Look at that, y'all. It's cute. It's gonna fit me. Maybe tiny small for my chin. Let's see. Yeah, you know, it might be a little small, but I'll do it anyway. So maybe, yeah, it is a little small. So maybe it is more for a child, but that's okay. Because it's usually they cover to about here. I could stretch it a little bit, but we'll do it anyway, since I have it open and on. It's awfully cute. It's cute. Okay, so, let's see if I can figure anything else out about it. Smudge is right here. He always throws me off, y'all. It's in Korean. It does say precautions in English, but you can't read the precautions. But that would be just your typical, probably, you know, make sure that you're not allergic, you know, that kind of thing. Test it first kind of thing. So I am not seeing much English at all. Exolam. Exolam is the name. Yeah, not much information on there at all. They are good until October 30th of 2027. Soothing moisturizing. Now, there's a lot of essence on it, so it is working great. And then I can always, you know, sort of smush that essence down there if I wanted to on my chin. And yeah, not much English at all. It says ingredients. It says maybe Korean, then ingredient. And then it says it in Korean. And then it says how to use it. It says, it does say 10 to 15 minutes is what it says. Okay, so anyway, there she is. Super cute, y'all. So a couple of things to tell y'all about. I went live on Friday night. I do that about once a month, y'all, and we have a lot of fun. Sometimes I do trivia, which I did, and then I do a giveaway. And my winner in the live was Life with Lois. And Life with Lois started, she was one of the people that started Mask Mondays. So go check her out. I'll put a link for her below if you'd like to go see her channel. Love for you all to see it. Lois does all kinds of things. She shows all kinds of things. And she cooks and she does lifestyle. She and her husband like to travel, and she does a lot of videos with them traveling. She does a lot of shorts with them out and about. This past weekend, they were at a car show. They have an older, you know, like an antique kind of car that they show, that people come around. They have those here too, the car shows. They're lots of fun. And then usually with those, there's vendors that sell some fun stuff, and there's plenty of good stuff to eat and all that kind of stuff. So right now, the Mega Drop Shop is going on with IPSY. I got a couple of mystery bags, and they will, I'm not sure, I just got them, so I don't know when they'll, you know, they haven't shipped out yet. Let's say that. My IPSY Extra, that's the one that I get. There's the original, which is the old glam bag. Then there's the extra, and then there is the ultimate. The ultimate comes out quarterly, and it's out for May. I get it once. I've gotten it once before since I've started my channel. I got it the first time I ever got IPSY. I got the big box, the quarterly box. They called it something different back then. And don't ask me what it was called, I don't remember. But I got the ultimate a couple of times ago when it was Natasha Denona. But I don't normally get it. I usually just get the extra. So my subscription was expiring. I buy it by the year. And May 1st was the next time they were gonna charge me. So I was looking in my account, and y'all, it happened to me again, and I remember this happened to me last year. Don't be pressing buttons in there, because it canceled my subscription, and you can't get any help to get it back. It takes them 24 hours to get back to you, and then they say they can't reinstate it. You have to join again. And the only way that you can join again is you have to join by the month. And then as soon as you join by the month, then they send you the invitation to join by the year. So I did join by the month, and I've joined by the year, so I'll get the first one. So when you do that, you have to wait until the month, till May 1st to do it. You can't do it in April, or they send you the April box again. So I waited till May, actually waited till like May, I don't remember, a couple of days, second or third. So you don't get to pick anything. But they've sent me, they send you an email that tells you what they send you, and they sent me some good stuff. So we'll see that it just shipped on Friday. So I don't know, it should be here, I don't know. It should be here sometime this week, but who knows? We'll see it when we see it. It'll get here when it gets here. That's all I can say about it. So I'm looking forward to it. They did announce on Instagram, I saw the announcement that they are with the extra, they're coming back with the bag. Remember, well, they used to have, all right, IPSY Original, the glam bag is a little bag that cosmetic bag. And the middle bag, which is now called the extra, which was BoxyCharm, which I forget what it was before that, the plus maybe, IPSY Plus maybe, they would send a makeup case, a bigger makeup case that had a zipper at the top and a handle, that's what they would send. And then as soon as I joined Extra, they stopped doing that, as soon as, whatever it was called, BoxyCharm. I mean, as soon as I can't remember when they joined with BoxyCharm, maybe, I can't remember, but they stopped doing that bag. And that's when I happened to just sign on to get that middle grade box. And they would send a fabric bag that has a drawstring at the top. And that bag matches the glam bag. Personally, I like the glam bag better than the drawstring bag, but they're gonna start sending the glam bag again. And I think it might be with June. So we'll see that coming up. So also, I showed this past week, I had a nail video, V Salon nails. They're beautiful. I see them on Instagram. They are nails that you put on with UV light. You put them on with glue, and then you put your fingers in the UV light, and that's supposed to cure them and all that. Well, I put them on with this. They sent me stickers. They asked me to do the review, and I told them I don't use glue, so they said they'd send me stickers. I have been approached by other companies that have the UV light, and and they don't. I say I don't use the glue, and they say okay. Then they don't send me anything, which is fine, because I don't know anything about the UV light. So I used their stickers, and they were beautiful nails. They're beautiful nails, and that whole set is going out as a giveaway. So look for that if you haven't seen it yet. They didn't stay. There were a couple that kept falling off, so I just changed them out and put on these my favorite Impress nails. So that's what I put on instead. So somebody's going to win all of that. Hopefully it'll be someone that knows about UV light, because I did get a message from a couple people saying that it can be dangerous. So you have to know what you're doing. Okay, please know what you're doing if you get that kind of product. Okay. And this is a product that was sent to me by the lovely Betty Vick. She sent this to me a while back. Y'all, what do I tell y'all? Use your good stuff, and then I don't do it. I do use my good stuff on a lot of things, but this is fabulous. I love it. It's one of my favorite things ever. me see if I turn the light off, you might see it better. No, you because it's got that silver on it, you can't see it. It is by Color Wow, and it's the extra large bombshell volumizer. And what it is, it's a foam, presses out into a little light foam, and it's a volumizer. So for my fine hair perfection, they also show it with people with a lot of hair, and it just, you know, it volumes you out. It's wonderful. I use it for special occasions. Well, the other day I was cleaning my, my sink has a big section where you can put a bunch of stuff. I'm like, why am I not using this? It's all, you know, I've used it because it's probably maybe has this much left in it. It's a liquid. It looks like it's just clear liquid because I really like it. So I decided to buy some more because I normally don't buy stuff because we get so much in the boxes. So, but I went to look for it, y'all, and I forgot. It's like $23 a bottle or $28. I'll tag it below so you can see. So I Googled it. Oh, I'm a bargain hunter. Always Google it. I Googled it and found it on eBay. And I got 2 of them. And don't worry, I've already tested them. They are real. There they are in the original box. These were $11.99 a piece, except they're $11.99. And it said free shipping. And if you bought 2, they were $11.68 each. So I saved like 72 cents or something like that, whatever it was. So I got 2 just because I'm going to use it and I'm going to go through it. And you know, the boxes are a little dinged up, but it came in a bag. So, you know, but they, this is what she looks like. And it is the 6.5 ounces, just like this bottle. Well, this bottle was 6.7, so they've gone down a little bit. That's what they do with things. They leave the price the same and go down in size, or they raise the price and go down in size. But anyway, it's the real stuff, and I'm excited about it. And thank you to Miss Betty Vick for introducing that to me. Like I said, she sent this to me a while back. Love it, love it, love it. And then I have some friend mail, y'all. So I have 2 pieces of friend mail. And the first is from Miss Michelle Rickard. I did cut them open so we can get into them. This is so pretty. This color and everything is a beautiful color. Hey, it matches me. Cute, cute. It has a cute sticker on the back. And then look at this beautiful card. Now this is the back. Michelle is a crafter. I just showed this past week my monthly My Note Cards subscription. And they are handmade by Irma. And Michelle makes her own cards. So look at how gorgeous this is. Isn't that beautiful, y'all? It is a coffee cup and chocolate and roses. Oh my goodness, all my favorite things, Michelle, right here. All my favorite things. Flowers, coffee beans, chocolate, yum, yum. And here's some beautiful butterflies. And look at how pretty she put this trim around. So pretty, Michelle, I love that. And there's this beautiful gold, if you can see that shining. And then inside it says, Mary Catherine, thank you so much for the masks you sent. Michelle won a giveaway from me. I love the variety. So thoughtful of you, as always. Love to you and the kitties. Michelle Rickard, your YouTube friend. Thank you so much, Michelle. You didn't have to send me a thank you, but I appreciate that very much. Beautiful, beautiful. So thank you, Michelle. I love that. And I'm so glad that you are liking the masks. It's always nice to, you know, even though this is a child mask, I still am liking it. It feels really good. I need moisture. My allergies have really been bothering me, and my eyes have been a little puffy here lately, so this is nice to have. Then I also got this card, and y'all, this card, it is postmarked May 5, and wasn't Mother's Day May 10? I got this like on the, right after I recorded Mass Monday for last week, so I got it on the 11th. So it's a Mother's Day card. It's from CatLadyBox. So it's got a cute little sticker there. And a cute little card there. And it says, Happy Cat Mom's Day. You are perfect in every way. Meow. Karen and Team Cat Lady. Karen is the lady that that talks to me about my account with them. So thank you so much, Miss Karen and CatLadyBox. We love you. As y'all know, we love CatLadyBox in this house. We're crazy about it. So y'all, thanks for stopping by and seeing what I got. And I hope that you do something to take care of yourself, even if it is wearing a child's mask. Hey, this has so much essence on it. Really, you know, I could just rub it around. And when you open a mask, always check inside because there's a lot of essence in here. See, it's spilling out there. You can put that on your arms. You can put it on your décolleté, on your neck. I need some help here. I'm getting older, you know. But, you know, you can put it all over. CatLadyBox t-shirt. And on your legs, whatever. You know, use it. It's good stuff. So you all take care. Count your blessings. So good to see you. I hope you have a fantastic week. And I hope that spring has come your way. It's already starting to be like summer here. So y'all stay safe and stay cool or warm if you need to be, because some people are still having snow. Y'all have a fabulous week. Good to see you. Count your blessings and use your good stuff. Bye-bye.